Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Eric C. Productions, and as you can see here, I am going to ruin this piece of nice furniture. I've already started sanding it. Let me take a picture of it first. So I am going to literally destroy this thing. Okay, I've removed all the necessary hardware, as well as this is the extra little drawer. So I am going to proceed to wreck it. So I took this piece of furniture and I'm going to wreck it. Okay, I'm going to use this Glidden interior paint. It's just bright white semi-gloss. I'm going to put it right on this thing. Just paint this whole damn thing white. As you can see there. Okay, I put the first coat on. I put 2 coats on this thing. They tell you to do 3, but this is what the first coat looks like on top. I know you can see right through it, but I'm going to paint over it anyway. Okay, I finished painting. What do you think? Looks like I missed a lot of spots too, huh? Yeah, sure did. So that's it. I ruined it. Except this is only the first coat. And then I will add another coat after this. Okay, I did a little touch up and I'm done. Just kidding, I'm not. Let's take its shape though. You can still see through all the color. Okay, this is the second coat of paint. There's a few more spots I gotta get, but almost done. What do you think? Did I wreck it? I ruined it, probably. This is the finished project now. The desk is done, and it is now in a little study here. So I guess I didn't really ruin it too much, but it's no longer brown, I'll tell you that. So yep, that is where I put it.